Now I want to talk to you a little bit more about the amazing product, okay? So I've got the product installed. The first thing you would do is you would watch this video, and it shows you how to install the product, okay? And it is just the most amazing product at the beginning of a trend. We are going more and more paperless every single day. What happens when you set up a brand new bank account? The first thing they ask you is, do you want to go paperless? Hard drives are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. More and more people are using digital cameras. More and more people are going digital on everything. So what is this? Well, here's the actual software here running on my computer. Okay, and I want you to focus mainly on the simplicity of this product, okay, because it's in high demand. Last year, only 7% of people were using some sort of backup system like this, whereas by the end of this year, it's expected to be as much as 40% of people. So what is this transitioning from? Most people are backing up their stuff to like an external hard drive. You know, I know this is my iPhone, but let's pretend it's an external hard drive that you plug into your PC. What are the problems with external hard drives, and why are people moving more towards the trend of something completely automated? Well, one, I want to tell you a quick story. In 2008, I got on a cruise ship. I brought my laptop and my external hard drive with me, and I gave it to a porter before getting on the ship. Well, what happened is the porter stole, or somebody stole, my laptop bag, and the hardest part of all that is the pictures of my children from birth to age 2 were on that computer. Those pictures were lost forever. Now, let's say I use that same example and I've got Gotbackup. Well, let me back up just for a second. External hard drives can be stolen, they can be lost, they have a lifetime value of about 2 years, and it's not set and forget. You got to remember to plug it in and back things up. What we have is a software that runs on both PC and Mac that does everything for you. So first I'm going to go manage backups right here, okay? It's just a simple piece of software that runs. I'm going to go to manage backups, and here you simply choose what you want to back up. So I'm backing up my documents, my music, my pictures, okay? And if I expand that, you'll see all the different things in here that it's backing up. Now I want to use a live example for you. So see this here, Liviatarian and Liviatarian book? Well, that's my daughter. I want to go on my local PC here for a second. I'm just going to close that. I want to go on my local PC here, and I want to go to my documents right here, okay? And in my documents, I have Liviatarian book, okay? Now, this is the portfolio that my daughter did as she is starting her modeling career. So these pictures right here are all local, and I have to plug my daughter. What a beautiful, beautiful 16-year-old girl. She just turned 16. But anyway, here's the point I'm trying to make. When you have unlimited storage, okay, in one convenient location, you don't worry about picking and choosing what to back up and what not to back up. You just back up everything so that, and I'm going to show you proof of that, of why that's so important in just a second. So here's on my local PC. Now, as you can see here, where I go to manage backups, I've chosen to back up that specific folder. And I'm just using this as an example because I'm literally backing up everything that I want to back up. So let me come here, and you'll see that I'm backing up that folder, Liviatarian book, okay? So I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to view my Gotbackup in the cloud. Now here's what's really cool. When you have an external hard drive, okay, you can't access it from anywhere in the world. With your Gotbackup account, you can. So right now I'm using 141 gigabytes of 512 gigabytes that I've allocated to this account. Now the good news is you get unlimited storage. This is just a demo account. Actually it's my personal account as well. But anyway, here's what I want you to understand why unlimited storage is so important. I'm backing up 97,729 files and 34,612 folders. If I had limited storage space, do you think I could remember which files out of 97,000 are important and which folders out of 34,612 folders are important? No, it's impossible. We're human, right? I just simply back up everything, and that's why the unlimited storage space is so, so important. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm in the cloud now. Couple of benefits. One, we back up to multiple data centers in Texas and the United Kingdom. Two, your backup online is accessible from anywhere in the world. So if you're on a business trip and you forgot your PowerPoint presentation, you could grab it from the cloud. If you have an amazing picture that you want to share with your family members, a high resolution picture, you can do that as well. And I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to go to my backup folder. Now, depending on what package you choose, you can also back up multiple computers, multiple devices. So Joel's MacBook Pro is the actual computer I'm on right this second, and it's the only computer I have. I take my laptop with me everywhere. So from here, I want to go to my documents folder, and I want to go back again. Remember, this is on my local PC right here. This part is. But in my documents here, I want to just use this Leviatarian folder, okay? So if I come here, and here's the Leviatarian and Leviatarian book. And in here, you'll see all the pictures of my daughter. Now, what's really cool is a lot of people say, well, why wouldn't I just use Facebook? Understand this. Any picture, two reasons. Any picture that you put on Facebook now belongs to Facebook. That's the less important part. The second part is those pictures are web optimized, which means they're compressed and compressed and compressed, and they're not originals, which means if you wanted to print those off, they would become very, very, very pixelated, okay? Here's what's really cool, is not only can I choose to come in here if I forgot something and download it here, I can send this to my backup and share folder, and I can share the original photo of this picture to anybody that I choose to share it with. Why is that important? Well, let's say my dad sees this beautiful picture on Facebook of my daughter, and he wants an original copy. Rather than having to take the one off Facebook, which is all compressed and compressed and compressed, he can take this picture, the original, print it off on his computer, put it on his wall, and bang, he has a brand new picture. So you can share documents, files, folders, pictures, music, anything that you want to with anyone around the world. And it's very, very secure. We use 256-bit encryption, just like the banks, for all your data. 100% secure. So let me come back to my dashboard here. And that's basically the simplicity of the product. We're at the beginning of a trend that people are realizing more and more and more. So as you can see, I've got movies in here that are backed up. I've got PowerPoint presentations in here that are backed up. I've got everything backed up that I could even imagine. And again, the important part, because it's unlimited, I just back up everything. There's no way out of these 97,000 files I could remember what's important and what's not. So it's just convenient and easy to back up everything. What do I mean by everything? Well, the computer I'm using right now, I'm backing up my iPhone there, I'm backing up my tablet back there, I'm backing up every single piece of data that I have into this system. And that's just how simple this product is to use. It's a massive demand, a massive need, a massive beginning of a trend, and that's the business itself. So I'm trying to think if there's anything that I missed. I really don't think there is. It's not a super long video. Why? We've created a simple opportunity with a product, a true consumer-based product that is in massive demand, in massive need in the marketplace for a price point that is unheard of. Unlimited backup for $8.99 per month. And if you want to become a reseller and collect 100% commissions on this product, well, then you can do that too. 100% commissions with you and your team every single month back into your pocket. It's an amazing product. It's a turnkey opportunity where everything is done for you. So I'd love to be working with you. Get started today for just $1. And by the way, if for whatever reason you're just not happy with this product, or you just feel like life's gotten in the way and you can't promote this opportunity, in the next 30 days, if you choose, you can get a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So it's completely risk-free. Why is that? We want you to love us. We want you to try us. We want to build an income for you guys. And I understand that life gets in the way. How many of us have bought stuff that we intended on using and we didn't? And so you can get your money back. Why? Because I know as a happy trial customer, when you're ready to build your business, when you're ready to use Gotbackup, then you'll come back to us without hesitation. If we argued with you about a refund, that's not good business. So you get a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee as well. So listen, I'd love to work with you folks. Have yourself an awesome day. Watch the rest of this video and get started today for just $1.
Welcome